producing high-intensity microwaves for use in radar when he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket began to melt. Intrigued, he placed popcorn kernels near the microwave